Hello viewers, today I have brought a video for you all that is Introduction to Scratch. What is Scratch? It is free programming language. It can be used to create games, stories, animation, comic, etc. Let's see how does a Scratch look like. So you can see on this window, this is a Scratch window. And the cat which is on the left hand side is known as sprite. The middle area we are having, that is the area where all the commands are already given, and the area which is blank and my cursor is moving there is known as the script area. Now let's see how we move a cat sprite over here. So you can see here are some blocks. We can use these blocks to control the sensation of this sprite. For that, I will give you a demo program first, as this is the part 1 of the video. So let's start it with the events. Event is just like when clicked. So whenever the mouse is clicked, we can use when clicked option. Let's have a look. I am using move 10 steps ahead, turn 15 degrees, and control option I will use forever block. And let's see what happens. For moving the animation of this sprite, we use this green color flag, and to stop that animation we use this red color stop button, and for full screen mode you can use this corner button. Let's see how it looks like. So I can show you here also on the full screen. This cat is moving. Stop. Now I want that some colors should also appear. For that, I'll go to Looks tab, and here you can see there is an option of Change Color Effect. Use that, and let's see what's the difference. So viewers, can you see the difference? It's so easy. Similarly, we are having other options also which can be used to put in this sprite. If you wish that the costume of the sprite should change, costume means the appearance of the sprite. I will tell you how to introduce the costume to. So first I have taken this command switch costume to costume 2. But before that, one more thing is there. In the tabs, there is one option, costume tab. Go to that. Here is costume 2. So this is the costume 2, which actually appears like that the cat is moving. So you can see. Let's have a look. Now, you will ask that this cat is moving and it is going to costume but 2, but no difference is seen. So what we have to do here? What we can do? Just wait for 1 second, and you can then see the changes also. I've taken costume 1 again just to show the difference. If we want to remove this 15 degrees, we can do that also. So I have removed it, and I can delete it also. If you want to change the direction for that of this sprite, you have to go in the corner box and move it straight. Check out. So this is the introduction of Scratch. Step-by-step programming I will bring up in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you.